guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look right here. I think what I want to do is do a series of Valentine's Day looks, so I want to do something for everyone. If you are going out for Valentine's Day and you're still needing a look, this would be something fun to do if you're doing like a sexy night in. I know smoky eyes can be very intimidating, but if you just take your time and don't go too heavy-handed, then you will be in the clear. Ugh, God, intros, right? Take forever. We're gonna start off by priming the face using whatever primer you love. I'm using the Lancome La Base. And I'm also gonna be taping my eyes for this look because it is a little bit darker and you don't want any of that fall out on your face. We are gonna be pulling colors from the Rose Gold Edition Huda Beauty palette. To start off the look, I'm gonna be taking a deep purple shade, and with a small fluffy blending brush, you can see I'm working that into my upper waterline and kind of flicking it out like it's a cat eye. And I want to deepen that a little bit and then move on to the next shade, which is going to be your transition color here. This is a brown shade, and we're going to be working this into the brow area, but the main focus is to blend out that purple shade. And here I am taking a black and deepening the outer corner. And then I'm going to be doing my eyeliner. And with this look, I wanted to do a cat eye. Pretty simple. With the tape, makes it very easy. So what I usually do is I work my way from the middle outward and then leave as little product on the brush and do the inner part. So as you guys can see, I did do my lashes and my brows off camera. Lashes video tutorial is coming soon, I promise. And for highlighter underneath my foundation, I'm using the Coconut Glow by Marc Jacobs Beauty. Cream highlights are really nice to do under your foundation if you want that extra glow. And all you have to do is just work it in with a wet sponge. So for my foundation, I made a foundation cocktail out of two foundations. I used the L'Oreal True Match Lumi and I mixed it with my Lancome Tinty Doll foundation. And I'm just working that in with a wet beauty blender. This beauty blender is from Real Techniques. I think it's just as good as a regular beauty blender and it's a lot cheaper. And you already know what it is. Tarte Shape Tape for concealer, all the normal places, blah blah blah. Blending that in, checking to see if there's a murderer in my house. And then for contour, I am doing some cream contour. I'm using my Fit Me Stick Foundation in the shade Coconut, and I am just doing the hollows of my cheeks, forehead, and I think I might have done under my chin. Yes, I did. There it is. That right there is a face only a mother could love. Next, after you have done your foundation base, I am taking my setting powder, which is the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, and I'm just packing that under my eyes, on my nose, probably on my forehead, I think, cheekbones, and underneath my contour. A great dupe if you're needing something from the drugstore is the Coty Airspun Powder. It smells awful, but it works pretty well. After you add your face powder, this is when you can finish off your eye look. So I'm taking the fluffy blending brush that I originally used for the cat eye on the top lid, and I'm not picking up any extra color. I'm just using whatever is left on the brush to smoke out my bottom waterline. And this really ties the look together when you put it on the bottom. It kind of brings it full circle in my opinion. So if you don't really like to wear eyeliner, I would definitely suggest putting an eyeshadow on your bottom waterline. Next, I am going to lightly contour my nose with the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer. And now, because I am extra, I decided to add some glitter to my eye makeup look to just, give it some flashiness, and I used the Kitten Karma glitter from Stila Cosmetics, and then I added mascara to finish off the bottom waterline, and this is a Lancome mascara. And then I'm just adding some blush to my cheeks. I used to use those stippling brushes to apply my foundation, and I've recently switched it up because I've been loving my beauty blender so much. So I actually use the stippling brushes for my bronzer and my blush now, and I feel like they blend out so much better than my other dense brushes that I was using for contour. But for my bronzer, I'm also using that Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil, and this is my highlight shade. This is in the color Exposed by Tarte Cosmetics, and I also used that on my brow bone as well after I did my eyebrows. And I like to put this on my forehead, in the center, down the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and a little bit on my chin. And I just want to let you guys know that I'm super pissed off at myself because I did not check my viewfinder to see if I was in the camera when I was doing my lipstick. So the lipstick shade is in the color Drop Dead Red by Too Faced, and it is in the Melted Matte collection. Anywhere you want it, you can have it. Talk about sex. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you try it out. If you do, take pictures, tag me in it. I want to see your looks recreated. If you haven't done so already, be sure to check me out on all of my social media platforms. I'm on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and Facebook under officialjr_XO or Beauty by Jessi. I love the support from everyone. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you do subscribe, be sure to hit that notification bell so that you can get updates on when I am uploading. Until next time, I will see you next time.